Hi guys, myself, Siddharth, and I welcome you all to my channel.
Hi guys, myself Jessica.
So, Jessica, on which word we are going to discuss today?
We are going to discuss about the word, delight, in this session. Can you please explain me the meaning of, delight, with some sentences?
Yeah, sure. The word, delight, means, enjoyment or happiness.
मैं आपको समझाती हूँ। हिंदी में डिलाइट का अर्थ होता है प्रसन्ना, सुखी या फिर आनंद।
Now, let's use the word delight in some sentences, so that you can grasp it easily. 1. Rohit was extremely delighted because his 15th birthday was arriving next Sunday. 2. Outdoor games are extremely delighting.
Thanks so much, now I got it. So friends, I hope that you have also understood the meaning of delight in English, as well as in Hindi, and how to use it in our daily conversations.
So friends, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.